This will make a great breakfast with some fruit, English muffin. I can't wait to cut into this and give it a try. Hi, welcome to Susan's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm making a Southwest breakfast frittata. I'm going to start by mixing 8 large eggs with a little bit of half and half. Not quite 1/4 of a cup. Let's get that going. Just whisk those up together. You want to break the yolks and you just want everything mixed together. It's a light mix, okay? To that, I'm going to just a little sprinkle of salt, some pepper, a little bit of onion. It's about 1/2 tablespoon of the dried chopped onions, a small jar of diced pimentos. To that, I'll add a can of the diced green chilies. These are mild, but you can do the hot if you like it spicy. Okay, I'm going to give all of that a little bit of a stir. Now, this is a little over 2 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese that I grated myself. Let's get all that in there. A 1/2 cup of sausage crumbles. You can buy them or you can make your own. Stir that. And I'm going to add a 1.5 cups cubed hash browns with onions and peppers added to it. Get those all mixed up in there. This is a quick and easy breakfast. I'm going to make it in my pie pan that I've already sprayed. Just going to pour it all in there. Give everything a stir just to make sure that all the ingredients have spread out through the pie plate and they're not just clumped in one area. Going to turn this on to bake at 400, and I'm going to set it for 20 minutes. I'll check it at that point, see if it's finished cooking. If it is, we'll take it out. If not, we'll let it go for a little bit longer. Okay, it's preheated. Let's go ahead and get this in there. Let's check the frittata. And it's definitely brown on top. Okay, let's cut into it and see what it tastes like. Uh-oh, it is not done in the middle. Okay, well, that's interesting. It's not quite done in the middle. Let's go ahead and put it back in. Check back in about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's give it a check now. Now let's see if it's, don't see any wetness around it. Oh yes, look at that. See that steam? All right, this is going to be delicious. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah. Not too eggy. The sausage is not overpowering. Really, the only thing I need to add is maybe a little bit of salsa to go with it because, hey, it's a Southwestern casserole. You gotta have some salsa, right? Let's add a little bit. Peach salsa, perfect complement to it. Again, great breakfast. Add some fruit, a little salsa, maybe an English muffin, and what more could you want to start your day other than maybe a cup of coffee? All right, thanks for coming along with me today in the kitchen as I made a Southwest breakfast frittata. It was delicious. I hope you try it and I hope you enjoy it too. Thanks. See you next time. God bless.